You'd think it wouldn't be possible to screw up cooking a Tombstone pizza, but it happens all the time. Don't be a victim of limp crust. In this video, I'll show you the perfect way to prepare a Tombstone pizza each time. Let's take a look at the directions. They're a little simplified. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That one's fine, let's do that now. Remove pizza from overwrap and cardboard. I know a guy who once baked it on the cardboard. It was edible, but I don't recommend it. Place the pizza directly on the oven rack. That sounds like a great way to end up with crumbs and other junk in the bottom of your oven, and I don't know, it feels like there might be a sanitation issue there too, I'm not sure. So instead, I'm going to place it on this metal pizza pan. It has plenty of breathing room and that allows the moisture to escape from the crust. I love how these pizzas are always made with love. Can I move any of this stuff around? No. Now, if you don't have the pan, then yes, you absolutely must put it directly on the rack. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until done. I'll start it out at 18 minutes, but I usually end up needing to bake it longer. When you pull it out of the oven, let it rest for about 5 minutes. Otherwise, you'll burn the top of your mouth, which I've done more times than I can count. Don't let it happen to you. Alright, now let's slice it up and see how it turned out. Oh yeah, I can hear the crispiness in that already. That's a good pizza. Look at that. It's a little bit limp, but it's still very crunchy, so this is going to be a good one. It's good stuff. That's all I've got for today. What do you think? Does this technique give you great results? Do you know something I don't? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. See you next time.